Hi guys, welcome to Clarity Videos. Welcome to another tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and can also comment in my tutorial below anything you don't understand. So let's start this tutorial. So firstly, I'm going to make a new document. So after that, you have done your figure separation. You can see before and after. Then you have your figure separation. So it details the real details of your image. So after then you create a new document, a new layer. So press this icon over here. That is a new layer icon over here. Press Ctrl Shift N depending on your choice. And you can press Shift F5. Make sure it's 50% grayscale. Then change the soft light. And this one you can also do it this way also. Come to edit, fill, 50% grayscale also. Then change the soft light. And I'm going to rename this one dot. This one born. And I'll come to this icon over here. You can see dodge born as spoke brush. Just cut it off. Then click on the dodge born. Make sure your brush is soft round brush. Make sure it's a soft round brush. Make sure the hardness is 0. Make sure your range is mid-tone and your exposure is 3%. So you're going to join the highlight parts, and for born is for that part. So I'm going to dodge the highlight parts now. You can see, make sure you follow the part of the skin. Dodging this part. Make sure the dodge should not be too harsh on the skin. It's very smoothly and sharp. Just follow the highlight part the way the highlight part is. I've dodged the highlight part. I did it before, and after, before and after. Then go to born also. Make sure your mid-tone is same thing and the expression is the same thing. Then you're going to click on the born tools. This is the first step of the dot and born. I'm going to talk about 4 types of dot and born tools here. You can see dodge the dark part. That is the shadow. Shadow, make sure it's the shadow. Just follow the part of the skin. Bias and dodge it. You can see the before and after. So this is the first step of the dot and born. So I'm going to link this on dot and born 1. Step 1. Dot and born step 1. Already I'm going to create in another dot and born, but this time I'm going to use curve. Then you click on this adjustment layer. Then go to curve. Then increase your curve a little bit. I think this is okay. This one I'm going to dodge. Then go to I, reverse, click on the mask layer, then go to I to reverse it. This is dodge. Then you also come to curve again. Then you're going to make it the curve part to be below. I think this is okay. Then you're going to call to I to reverse the layer mask. And the one is going to be born. I'm going to loop it. It's going to draw that born too. Step 2. So this time around I'm going to use brush. I'll click on the dodge area. I'm going to click on brush. B is the shortcut. Make sure your opacity is 10, your flow is 100, and your brush is also soft round brush. Then you open bracket to decrease it and close bracket to enlarge it. So this time make sure you follow the path also, like we do the first time. So I'm dotting the highlight part. You can see. This is the second type of dot and born step I'm going to show you. And see, do the same thing like we do the first type. Make sure the dot and born, the more you click on the, this opacity 10, the more you click on the wash, you're going to increase the highlight. So you can see before and after, before and after. So after that, you go to the bone. That you use the same wash. You use that the area. Use that area. You see, I see the before and the after. So this is the bone step 2. So the third one, this time around we are going to use O and saturation. O and saturation. So we come to adjustment layer, come to O and saturation. And I come to O and saturation. I'm going to change this one to color dodge. I'm going to, after changing to color dodge, make sure you don't use the opacity. If you use the opacity, the image is going to not give you what you want. So this time around, you are going to use fill. So you are going to click on the fill, then reduce it. I think 20. Then I'm going to leave like this. Then after that, you go to the opacity saturation again. Then this time around, you are going to give color dodge. Don't play use opacity. If you use opacity, image is not going to be what you want. So I'm going to use color bond. So we are going to use fill. We reduce it. I think this is okay. Then it's okay. So this one is dodge. This one is bomb. But this one is dodge. So I see the third step of dodge and bomb here. So that then you are going to click dodge and bomb. Step 4. Don't tell that we are going to do this bone. So this one is going to be bone, and this one is going to be dodge. This one I'm going to use brush. Make sure your opacity is 100, your flow is 100. One thing about this one, I'm going to use density. This one is going to be the same way we do second one, so it depends on your choice. So I'm going to use dodge. This one I'm going to highlight the part. This part is highlighted. You can see. Just click on it. You can see what I'm doing. Just follow the step. You can see. Build it. After then you go to the bone also. Do the same thing. Make sure your opacity is 100. Just draw a line to where you want to dodge. Then see this first step. That then you have to do both of them. Click on the dodge bone, click on property, click on the mask layer, the feather, then reduce the feather a little bit this way. You can see what I'm doing. This is okay. Then click on the bone also. Come to mask area, feather, and reduce it a little bit. I say this is okay. I see the before and the after, before and the after. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you don't know how to do frequency separation, like the way I do my frequency separation, you can check my previous tutorial that I did in my YouTube channel. Just click on the link in the bio. Then also, you can see different type of dodge bond. So you can anyone that you see favorable for you. This step 1, dodge bond before and after. This second one, dodge bond before and after. This third, before and after. This fourth, before and after. So anyone that you find please for you, anyone that you find favorite for you, can use any first step. They're all useful in your own image. So don't forget to like the button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.